welcome to a new tutorial, and in this video we have part 5 of making an infinite craft game in Scratch. So let's get started. So first, let's go to the code that we got in last part when I start a clone. To here, log first clone ID. Okay. Now put an equals over here. Sorry, over here. There we go. Put an equal if created is equal to 1. Okay. Go to x and y. Okay. Clone x. Wait, what? Do a series not have that variables? Okay. So let's make new variables called clone x for this is only and clone y for this is only. Okay, and guys, remember if you want more of this, you only have to click the subscribe button to have more crazy content like this. Now let's continue. Now in the else, put a go to okay. Oh my gosh, Scratch top page more laggy. Okay. Now go to list. Guys, if we do this, it's like one block for each minute. So if I want to do in all tutorials 100 blocks minimum, so it's like more than an hour, almost 2 hours. Oh my gosh. So put what? What? Wait, what happened? Oh my gosh. Where is it? No. Where is it? I want to put this here. Now it's. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's not worry about that. Sorry. So item 2 and item 3 of drag. Is our game getting good? I don't think so. First, look, if we go to the costumes here in this bar, it's gonna be super laggy. Look at this. 179 things to do. That's actually a lot. Oh, 178. Okay. Now show. Repeat until not mouse down. Now go again to lists. Go to replace item. Replace clone ID. What? Replace clone ID of dragon with 1. Duplicate. But put it over here and with 0. Now, forever, if else, to the lesser than, if 45 is lesser than exposition. Oh my gosh, sorry. Look at this. Put it over there. But if not mouse down, okay, we're making real good progress, I think. Now we'll look at this, and we will duplicate a couple of times. First, replace and blah blah with 0. Okay. Now replace item. First clone ID of CloneX. Sorry, of clone type with. Oh wait. Deleted. So how I was saying, replace item first clone ID. Oh my gosh. Of CloneX with deleted. Oh, the same but with clone Y. And go to my box and put delete. Okay. Now in the else, put an if touching icons. Yeah, it's the same friggin' spread, so do it this. Now let's go to line. If touching icons, now put this over here. Now delete this. Go over here. If touching icons. Okay. Put an if not mouse down. Go to lists and put add thing to elements touching. So add element to elements touching. If okay, put an equal. In the right side, put a 1, and in the left side, put a mod. In the right side of the mod, put a 2. In the left side of the mod, go to lists and put length of elements touching. Okay. And now put an add, duplicate add. No, wait. first to where is it? Oh, oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. Oh, here. Now, let's see what it is. Someone's touching, and now X position and Y position. Okay. Um. Now here, put wait until put an equal. In the right side, put a 0, and in the left side, put length of elements touching. There we go. And guys, by the way, if you're enjoying this, hit that subscribe button and the like button so we can get subs, likes, and have a great bigger community, which we don't have now, but we'll have soon in the future, surely. Now put hide, wait 0.1 second. Now go to the debugger and then put one deleted clone. And guys, by the way, you get the debugger with the scratch add-ons or with the scratch tools. I don't remember well, but okay. Now go to lists and put a replace and duplicate it 3 times. So let's duplicate it again. Yes, sir. Now put here deleted. Oh my gosh, I typed so bad. Deleted, deleted, deleted. Okay. So item first clone ID. Of clone type clone X and clone Y. Okay. And delete this clone. So we finally finished this part. I don't know what else we done here. This was a lot, guys. We did like more than 100 block in this part. Like, oh my god. And I don't know what's this. Wait, what? Oh wait, this is what we done. What? What? Wait, no, this is not. God, I don't understand anything to be honest. What's that? When all of this goes here. What? Okay, guys. Sorry. Of this goes here. Man set delete the zero. Okay, so now I guess I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, so bye bye.